And what's good? It's One Chill here. Welcome back to the video. The title says it all. Today you're going to be learning how to make the world's easiest broccoli tutorial. Literally, in 15 minutes, start to finish, your broccoli is going to be from raw to cooked and delicious. I would love to wear a proper t-shirt, but it's 80 degrees outside again. I don't know why. It's supposed to be fall and it's hot as heck. This is also one of the laziest tutorials out there, so you can make it on a consistent basis. Let's go! But anyway, in order to stay consistent with, vegetable consumptions like this, you have to understand why you have to eat your greens. Now, I'm sure a lot of us are being taught about this, by our parents. Our parents are nagging to us, so and so, you're supposed to eat your greens, just eat your greens, just eat your greens. And then when you go to school, you hear the same thing. At lunch cafeteria, eat your greens, eat your greens, eat your greens. But, okay, I'm very sure you guys all know why, but just to rehab a little bit, vegetables are full of vitamins and minerals, okay? So, what does that mean for you? Vitamins and minerals, some of the two most important nutrients group out there, will help your body function properly, help to maintain homeostasis, right? So, what about one thing is calcium, strengthening your bone, prevents osteoporosis, and another thing such as lower cholesterol, lowers the amount of body fat that you have. And of course, the last thing is fiber to make sure your excretionary system works properly, is circulatory good, so that you can poop smoothly. And people out there, they don't like to eat the vegetables. This is what they're gonna be like. People look at them, they're gonna be so weak. Just like Uncle Roger said, so weak. So guys, eat your vegetables. Let's learn how to make this thing. Guys, first thing is first, before you cook broccoli or any type of vegetables, you have to make sure you wash it. You know what happens when you don't wash your vegetable? You're gonna be eating dirt. I don't want any of you guys to be eating dirt, okay? Drain your vegetables. Ah, yes. Okay, now you're gonna put this vegetable or whatever that you're cooking in the water for about 10 minutes, alright? 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, boil your water so you save time. When Asian people cook, you never use measurement, okay? If you have to boil, you use water, you just eyeball the pot, okay? We always use our feelings. No such thing as measuring cup. We just use feeling to do our stuff. Now is the easy part. You simply let it sit for 10 minutes. The easiest tutorial ever. All you need is patience. Okay, peanut butter will take approximately 45 seconds to 1 minute to melt in the microwave. You're just gonna drain the vegetable, whatever that you're cooking, and then mix it with the sauce that you just made. Oh yeah! Alright guys, here we go. This is the final product. There you guys go. This is the world's easiest broccoli tutorial ever. I hope you guys learn how to make vegetables consistently with this video. If you guys have liked this video, make sure to subscribe, click like, smack that notification button so you don't miss out any more videos just like this one. Alright guys, peace out. Bye bye.